All right, guys, so currently we're at Casey's. There is a ton of snow on the ground. We've almost gotten stuck multiple times, but the 335 seems to just drive right through it every time. So we're gonna go, and we'll show you even just pulling out of the exit real quick. All right, guys, so pretty slick. We're getting stuck trying to leave right now. My wheel is upside down. I genuinely thought my stuff was messed up for a second because of how upside down it was and we were going straight. That don't even make no sense. We just got to push through this real quick, but... You can see how snowy it is. If you look at the steering wheel, it's turning all different ways because we can't go.
Get traction. We have no traction.
Look. That means
We got our
tomorrow's gonna
first
be fun.
victim up here of the Oklahoma City snowpocalypse.
That was almost me.
Got the V stuck.
Oh, he's getting it.
Alright, we're making our way to the world's favorite roundabout.
The best roundabout in the world. We're gonna try and drift it, but we gotta make sure there's no cops.
No coppers. It's all like... Oh. Oof.
That was a decent first try. Guys, so now we gotta try to make it over this huge mound in this slow car. Low and slow. These are too careful of people. They should have drifted that. Washer fluid level low. All right, we're still good.
Oh, yeah, we're... Oh,
I think we're stuck. I think we're now stuck. Bad news. Hey, but that's okay.
We can just reverse.
All right, guys, so
Wherever
we have the speed now. We just have to run the stop sign.
Alright, we made it. Let's fucking...
All right, we made it.
Holy shit. Why are so many people in B-dubs?
I'm gonna wreck. So this is an example. Sometimes you'll be going straight, right? We're going straight on this snowy road. And sometimes your back end will just kick out. And I'm gonna give you an example of what you need to do in that situation. So we're going. Oh shit, back end kicked out. You need to control that wheel. You just need to control that wheel.
There's people on the side.
Are you ready?
Oh no, oh no, oh no. Input error, input error.
I don't want to do it.
Alright, our next toughest battle of this decade. The hill of all death and despair. How do you feel about this hill?
I don't know. We're going 45.
Damn. Oh, we're chill.
how you get that one.
Holy shit, bro. Oh no, we're losing it uphill.
I'm just trying to go faster to make it up the hill. I've had it at this angle for like... Did you see it? This road is long.
It really is.
That dirt makes it grip.
Dry catches it. Dry.
Bro, it wasn't like this earlier.
It wasn't. Oh my god. Don't try this at home, guys. Trained professionals. Hey, we lost it.
Thank you guys. All right, guys. So these very kind people in front of us pulled over, and we ended up backing the car out of the ditch. We're gonna hit a U-turn up here. All right, guys. I think after that one, we're gonna put the V up, dude. I'm gonna throw in that dash cam clip too, of us sliding out twice. Second time was worse. We were in a ditch, but luckily we saved it. The car, the back left wheel though, was like literally off the ground. That was the issue. But Jackson sat on it and bounced while I floored it.
And we did basically a burnout.
Yeah.
Probably cleared the road off, got us more grip.
Yeah.